Hello, this is Telomere and welcome to another repair video. In this video we're going to be looking at an Xbox Series S. That's this critter right here. Now you might be wondering, well, what exactly is the issue with this thing? Well, I'll just flip it over and get some tweezers. Take a look at this port right here. It's hard to show exactly, but it's very wiggly inside. And I do believe it must have been broken away from the motherboard. So we got to get this Xbox apart, and then we're going to go and see what's happening with this HDMI port. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've taken out all the screws. Now let's take a look. I'm pretty sure this bit comes out here. It came out very easily. This is a little bit easier to work on than the Xbox One Series, Xbox One S. So where is the HDMI port? It's right here. That's my worst nightmare right there. Let me see if I can bring it up for you guys to see. You see that? Man, that is nasty. I'm gonna get this heat sink out and we're gonna dig in a little bit deeper. All right, with that clip out, let's see if we can get this out now. Well, look at that. All the pads are torn. Almost all of them. I think there's only 1, 2, 3, 6. There's 6 pads that aren't torn. The rest, oh, this is going to be hell itself. I'm going to show you guys underneath the microscope in a moment what I'm seeing here, but it's bad. I'm going to use our X-clamp removal tool. There we go. That should come out relatively easily. Yes, here we go. So first off, let's take a look at what the port looks like. And you can really see it. All those torn traces. It's really bad. Let's also take a look at what it looks like at ground zero. And you got all these other wires that are just all over the place. Here as well, there's vias here and here where they've been torn away. That pin's been lifted, but it's from the back. It should be okay. So there, yeah, it's going to be a lot of work. I'm going to have to do a whole bunch of trace repair. Now, there's no way I'm going to be able to explain everything I'm doing and show everything. So what I'm going to be doing is, right now, I'm going to be grinding away a little bit of the traces, just the conformal coating on each one of these that I can, doing my best to go and get that all cleaned up. And then after that, I'm going to be starting to go and putting in pads. Some new pads for these. So I'm going to be time-lapsing it because that's the only way I'm going to be able to get all of it in. And all I can say is enjoy the music, enjoy the visuals. So here's what I've got going here. As you could have seen in that very long time lapse, it's done. At least as good as I can do. I'm going to be dropping in the charge port. Why I'm doing it through the camera instead of the the microscope is because I don't currently have a way to show you guys actually putting the port in place. But I got the port right here. I'm going to drop that in, and I got to heat this up, so I got to add also some solder into those joints there on the side, those 4 points. Well, I got it finally in place. It took some work, some cajoling, but we've got it in place. Now I got to just check to see whether or not those pins have solidified in place. So let's just give these a bit of a push and let's see if this is it. I mean, it's really hard to tell because of the fact that that it's on a wire. So is it moving with the wire? I honestly can't tell. That one looks like it is. I think this is a pad. This one. It is moving with the pad. All right, I believe that I've gone through every single pin and I fixed them. Basically, I just touched them up with the soldering iron just for a little bit. One of them I had to move a pin over. It's a little bit of a mess, but this is definitely proper now. Everything else should be proper. Just going to go over it one last time, looking to see that every single pin is in fact connected. I don't think there's anything more I can do with this. At this point, I'm gonna try heating it up a little bit, and then putting some alcohol on it, just giving it a good cleaning. It's such a mess. I mean, I've done my best. I've done what I can. I'm gonna switch over to testing it. Let's see how we've done. All right, I do have it plugged in, and I mean, I think it's plugged in. It's kind of loosely plugged in. And I think I don't know about this particular model. I know with the Xbox Series X and the S1 Xbox One S could have just a little bit connected up and it'd be fine. Apparently that's not enough though. So hopefully I've seated it a bit better now. I can hear it doing something. I've got the fan and a few other things. Basically I have everything plugged back in. The only thing that's not is, well, just heat related stuff, and the clamp isn't in place. Let's just try this again. There is a possibility that there is a deeper issue. Fan spins a little bit. The CPU, I feel a small amount of heat coming from it. Okay, I just put all more or less back together and I just discovered something. I had this sideways. I'm pretty sure I had it sideways. Yeah, that's better than nothing. Oh, that's spinning now. And what do I have here? Holy crap! Oh, man. Okay. All right. I had it sideways. I gotta get this thing back together. I don't believe it's worth doing that on camera. It's just gonna be a lot of me throwing screws together. All that because I put this tiny little daughter board sideways. So I actually got it working. It's actually working, guys. It's working. This was a very long journey. I can't imagine how much time I spent on this. I spent probably, I'd say about 13 to 15 hours working on this thing. I'll describe it as worth the time for the experience, but not at all worth the amount of money that I charged the customer. It's somebody that I do a lot of work for, so I gave him a deal because I've never done one of these kinds of replacements where you're fixing the traces. So it was a learning experience, but it's done. It's working. I am so relieved. So if you guys like the video, please do leave a like. I really appreciate those likes. They really help my channel out. And if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. We'll see you guys all in another video. Bye.